Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Sophia Momodu apologized for celebrating daughter's dad's Davido on his 30th birthday. Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Africa Media Live TV. Èyí ni ìròyìn tá a mú wá sétí ìgbọ̀yìn. Sophia Momodu apologizes for celebrating daughter's dad Davido on his 30th birthday. Sophia Momodu, the mother of the singer Davido's first child, Imade, has apologized publicly for a birthday post she made on her daughter's behalf to mark his birthday. She issued the apology via Imade's Instagram account on Tuesday. This comes after fans slammed her for being insensitive after posting a photo of Davido carrying Sophia, who died last month, on her daughter's Instagram accounts to wish him a happy birthday. She wrote, "I realized that earlier posts may come across as insensitive, and I sincerely apologize, as that was not the intention. Imade deeply loved her father and all her siblings. And as a mother, I am trying to celebrate her father's birthday. I ask for your consideration and hope that you all can be understanding during these times. Thank you, Sophia Momodu." Davido, who is still mourning the death of his son Sophia, turned 30th on Monday. Follow Africa Media Live for breaking news and more videos. Thank you.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.